Yeah, I've been patient, I've been locked in on the go. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline a crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Treat the morning like a moment I've been built for. Wrist tight, mind calm, that's a real score. Everybody wanna flex what they think they know, but the river doesn't brag, man, it just shapes stone. If it's not my setup, I don't touch it, let it pass. Every force trade ends with me looking back. So I breathe in, breathe out, let the market do its dance. And the patience that I practice turn the future to my hands. Ain't the same as last week, whole new mind. Water in the groove, yeah, I flow in my time. Let the fear fade out, let the greed decline. I'm aligned with the grind, stay refined in the climb. Yeah, I've been patient, I've been gold. Let the setup come to me, that's the only way I roll. Never chase, never fold, keep it chill, keep control. Got that process in my veins, let the profits take a stroll. Woke up charts glowing like they know me well. Discipline the crown, yeah, I wear it proud. River keep flowing, I just follow the route. Not the same man daily, yeah, I'm leveling out. Show up, slow up, let the noise blow up. I don't fold up. Wave ride, same tide, every sunrise. Give me new eyes. Stone grind, long time, water carved lines. If you show up, no rush, no clutch, patience be the code that I go by. I don't chase wins, I chase discipline. Let tomorrow be tomorrow, I just settle in. Every loss is just a lesson that'll tighten my spin. Every candle on the chart make me better again. Yeah, I've been
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to the stream chat. How you guys doing? Happy Thursday. What's going on? And I tell you what, my Mac just like took a dump. It just crashed again and like I had to reinstall the OS, so I had to kind of adapt here. I normally trade off my PC and stream off of it, but I have like the Mac set up with chat, you know, VIX, other stuff. So, yeah, a little out of sorts to a degree today. But I just did grab a long here. It was too clean. It was just that little wick. We wicked down to 401, and then I grabbed that just one micro. I meant to grab it with more micros, but when I switched from minis to micros, it was still set to 1. So I longed that 416.5, and then I was gonna take profit at 500, and I was like, maybe I can hold them to open, and whatever. We started rejecting, so I took profit at 72.5. So it was a nice little trade, 110 bucks on, you know, again, small size there. That was good for 46 points or so, 45, 46, whatever. Actually, it's gotta be like 55 points, right? The math ain't mathin', yeah. So it's more than $2 a point, 55 points. Okay, I'm glad I could do that math. How you guys doing? Trading Academy, what's going on? Botan, good morning. Arnesis, Grizz, Chowdhury, how you doing? Gaines, what's up? Miguel, how you doing? Anthony, what up? Dan, did you catch the 100-point move? What you talking about? Fulcher, good morning. Trader Joe, how you doing? What up? Is that the market open there? Okay, markets are open. Oh, there's a nice drop.
This is all wet and slick and it's ready to go.
Nice instant drop here off the open. Already blew up 2 evals in 2 days. You could take them slower. There's nothing wrong with that. You know, nothing wrong with sizing down, taking it slow. I mean, if you've seen my funded trader series, have you seen that? Took it real slow. That was a really nice move. I don't know if anyone caught that short, but whew. Very quick 100 points. What's up, Legs? How you doing? Damn. All right. Yeah, but 11 months is too long for me. Fair enough, but I mean, I became a better trader throughout that time. Like if I got funded before that, I wouldn't. It's not like I would have gotten to a payout, you know. I mean, probably not. I needed that. Needed that time as much as I didn't want it. I needed that time to develop and become better. Okay, ES. ES not really participating so much in this like NAS. Really holding value much better. Sal, how you doing, man? Look at ES go, man. It's gonna make it hard for NASDAQ to drop any further. ES is popping up here. Where's my VWAP at? VWAP is about 549. Doing this all on one monitor. I got 2 and I pulled my laptop up. So my laptop has chat on it. Otherwise, 2 monitors for everything else. It's a little bit awkward. So I'm hoping the Mac, it's reinstalling Ventura, and then I'm hoping that I can use it. Oh, here we go. Just finished installing. I'd like to get VIX up. I like to get back to my regular orientation of everything because it's hard enough when things are all set up right. ES kind of just bear flagging at the moment here. It could get its drop again, and then NAS could go down to 300. Chris, where's previous week's low? What's the number? Thinking of shorting today? I'm thinking of shorting every day. You know, most of my trades are 5 minutes or less, so you know, either side of the action presents opportunities throughout the day. Usually. See if we can get that move now. $584.5 on ES. Gotcha. I didn't ignore you, Eddie. I answered it. You weren't listening. I scrolled up and I said it's 549 or something like that. Right now it is fucking Motivewave, man. Motivewave loves auto scrolling to where the current candle is. Drives me nuts. It's like 545 or so. Am I still doing photography? Not really. What's up, Froggy? How you doing? Hmm, 300 next. Then I have this swing low. This ABC line here. Swing low. That I wanted to watch. What is in the left side? 74 BPM. That's my heart rate. Been watching Mango Street for years, learning about photography, and now you got me learning about trading. Nice. What's up, Justin? Good morning. Bounce to 400. G-Man, what's going on? How do I display the heart rate? I wear a heart rate monitor and then I connect it to an app on my phone that gives me a widget for OBS. All right, coming in at 400. All right. Cyrus, what's going on? Jim, how you doing? You're up $4 more than I am? I guess I gotta pick it up. All right. How do you control if it goes higher? My heart rate? I just breathe, focus on breathing a little bit. Focus on the breath, taking deep breaths. Megatree says I'm slick to the ass. I won't ask. You have 10 in commissions. Well, Jim, Motivate here is not displaying commissions, so this is the P&L without commissions. Well, drop was looking really good, but ES was not taking part in it so much. We're seeing a few upper wicks here on ES in the 20s here. Is the setup I'm looking for right now? Well, I'd be interested if, if we can pop above 400 and hold. I'd be interested for a long to VWAP or something like that. So this closes. It's a strong candle there. Closed really strong. Those MNQ commissions add up. I just took one trade on one micro, so my commissions are really as low as they can get pretty much so far. But yeah, they can add up. No, Cherry John, I'm not. Does Apex have like a minimum hold time or microscoping rule? I haven't looked at their new rules close enough to have an answer. Maybe someone else in chat knows. Generally, most firms that I look at say don't make over half your profits in microscoping trades. Hey, my Mac is up. All right, let's go. Ah, shit. Key fell off my keyboard. Rachel says, it's weird that only 9 people in here are cool. I thought the number would have been higher. Yeah, you'd be surprised. A lot of losers. I think we're referring to people who don't hit the thumbs up button on the stream, probably. All right, it's looking bullish. Looking bullish here. I mean, the entry's not great, so I'm just in with one micro here. But like I said, hold above 400, target VWAP. That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, that's the plan. Potential to add another contract on this one, closer to 400. Everyone's promising they're cool in chat. Prove it. Hit that thumbs up button, then we'll just have to assume you're cool. All right, I'm gonna add one there. Now let's get the move to VWAP and stop pulling back so much. How about it? Nick says, I'm lame, but lame AF, but still liked. Fair enough. I like the self-awareness. Told you liked it, now you're cool. That's how it works. Well done. All right, come on, buyers. Where you at? Struggling. All right, my Mac is up. Finally. Okay. Stopped. About. Almost stopped here. I don't know. I like the long. I don't mind it. I thought it was reasonable. Well, still in this for now. All right. Mac is up. I can put away the PC stuff here. Well, still in this somehow. I really thought I was cooked on that. Check it. You hear me all right? I think it's, I think the laptop might have adjusted my mic level, so. Yeah, I'm okay, Eddie. Yeah, thanks. Have you ever tried trading currency pairs? I tried it once a long time ago. The video, will, Streamlabs bot will post that video there. Exclamation point 4x. How's Top Step account doing? I lost it last night after 3 payouts on the 5. I did finally lose them. I was anticipating a little bit cleaner movement on Globex reopen in the Asia Open last night around this, was it 600 level? I got my ass chopped up. So I'm gonna try to run those back. Yeah, 3 payouts is nice. I'm not mad about it. It was good. It was a good run. Great run. You know, it was fun. It's the best I've, most payouts I've had in, my prop firm history. So definitely not mad about those. All right, Long's cooking here. Come on, baby cakes. Do prop firms reverse engineer your trades? I'm talking about the 1%. What do you mean by that? I don't think they do reverse engineering trades. I think they would maybe take their best traders and copy those trades. And that's what I would do if I were them. You get 5K on each payout? No, not on each. I started with a smaller payout. It's about 2,400. That's view up on ES here. Take one off. So a little pullback from that VWAP. I still want to see NAS hit its VWAP. But I'm also not going to lose money on this one, so. Stops at right now 44.5, I think. Looks good. So payout wise, for those top step accounts, it was a really good ROI. I did 23.40 on the first payout, and then this on the next two I did 9,900 after the split. VWAP's right here, the orange line, about 528, I think that is. Oh, ES VWAP? My ES VWAP is about 4.8, 6.48. Trade's working out really nicely. It just had to hold through that kind of deep pullback there, but I like it. Close to my target here. Really, ES is really into VWAP now, like a really nice, clean move. All right, take profit there. Very nice. Small size. No more than 2 micros, up 288 bucks on Apex there. On the 10 accounts. So I brought myself out of the hole yesterday. Well, most of the way out of the hole yesterday with some nice trades. And now today, all back above the starting, the starting balance, which is good because I really got myself into some trouble a couple days ago. So I'm glad I was able to recover that. So close to the take profit I wanted. I didn't get it though. But I mean, it looks good though for NASDAQ to get its clean hit of VWAP too. That was so slick ass. Thank you. What's your max loss limit now on Apex? Considering these are end of day trailing drawdown. So it's, still like it's like 48,200 or something, Looking for a rejection on VWAP. I'm not surprised to see a pullback off of VWAP on ES, but I'd still like to see us get maybe a cleaner hit on NASDAQ. Up 363, trading micros using volume profile. Thanks to my favorite grizzly bear, says Eddie. Nice. Look, I still don't know how to use it. I'm not even looking at it, bro. I got 2 of them up here. I'm still not even paying attention to it. I started to hear that, damn. Did you trade the Asia session? Because it was I thought it was kind of nasty. Try another long here. At this point, since we already got a nice rejection off of VWAP, if we do get another push higher, I want to see PDL now. I want to see NASDAQ go through VWAP. So that's why I'm aiming higher above VWAP now. So we'll see if we get another shot higher without retracing down too much here. You got edge on your take profit by tick? That sucks, dude. You do live trades every market day? Yeah, I do. But don't follow my trades, that's for sure. We're all here just to learn and get better. What software are you using to trade? This is a MotiveWave platform. Jenny, just get in the habit of marking out low volume areas before the session and forget about it. Then look at the end and you'll see how price visits and reacts there so often. Gotcha. So VWAP again on ES. Let's see if we can break above it. I don't see why not. This looks reasonably bullish. So again, looking for above VWAP now. We do have 2-hour supply, which could be a better target. There's VWAP. Oh, man. Nice move. So I want a little bit more here. Let's see if I get punished for being for wanting more than VWAP here. It's like 50 points, you know. Again, these are monsters. You do live every day? Yeah, I already said that. Yeah. 5 days a week, you know. Weekdays. It's just 1 micro, yeah. Really small size. Watching ES here to see if VWAP can hold on the other side of it. Or 500 on NASDAQ. I'm gonna maybe lower my target a little bit. Will, you made 700 this week with 1 micro, same as your job, working 40 hours a week. Isn't that crazy? Trading can kind of warp your sense of money a little bit, but it's great. Like if you're still working that job, making $700, being trading small size, that's terrific. Doubling your income, you know. That's great. Maybe I'm right. Maybe PDL is good enough of a target. PDL is right up there, 565 or so. All right. Well, I might take a stop here on break even. Pushes any further. Yeah, VIX is tanking from the highs. Good call out there. Down over a buck, about a buck from the highs this morning. Come on, give me the push. Give me the push. Come on. No, push higher, not push lower, market. Misunderstood. All right. Well, look, it was a good trade. Good taking profit at VWAP. But I think push above at this instance is reasonable to expect. So that was a great trade, though. 50 points. Just came back to break even there. Might be like a kind of a bottom tick exit there, which would suck. But hey, not bad trading so far today. Again, 300 bucks. That's like 150 points, you know. Very just slinging 1 micro around, you know. It's pretty good. Nice, Justine. Have a great time. Man, this is probably it, huh? The PDL push here, you think? I think. Might could be. Trent says she won't remember. Keep trading. You'll remember, though. You'll remember. It's time to change it to a different account. You might not be wrong about that. Maybe we'll take some trend advice there. Do you adjust your expectations for the strengths of previous day lows in cases like this where it's been crossed several times? Well, I still want to see it cross in the New York session. That's what I wanted to see. Oh, that was Leg's advice. Yeah, you guys have just similar looking avatars, just black and white avatars. All right, but that is good advice. So secure the bag. I have 5 new Lucid Flex accounts that I have not traded on yet. We can see if we could get something going with these baddies. Big Lucid guy? You talking about yourself? Because I am a big Lucid guy. I love Lucid. But I need to get some payouts in Lucid because it's been a minute and I've racked up some expenses. So I like to do that. If you don't mind, I'm gonna get some payouts now. Don't even worry your pretty little head about it. Just gonna get some payouts. Not gonna be a big deal. All right, let's see. Cross trade, good. Oh, I forgot. I don't use TradeSyncer with this. I use TradeC. That's what I gotta do. You're also trying out Lucid? Nice, Rob. Hope you love it. Hope you fucking love it, dude. What's my login for TradeC? I don't even know, dude. You know I had a login with them. Which is cool with the free with the patio rates. Working on it. Yeah, that's not the right TradeC account to log into, I don't think. I don't even know. Already linked to a different account. Oh, Tiny just saved a Lucid account with $39 to drawdown left. Close to passing. Sick, dude. Oh, it's dan@gmail.com. Password gabagool 123. Got it. Do I check economic calendar on Sunday to be prepared? Not really. I just check it morning of. And say, huh, that's what we're doing today? All right. Like, I know we had FOMC yesterday. I don't even know if there's anything else today. No idea. Which I should know. I don't think there is. Usually people in chat tell me. Usually people say news. So they kind of help me if I forget. So it works out. All right, time to take Lucid to the cleaners here. Damn, look at that move to PDL, man. That's the shit I wanted. But I stopped out at 87 on that one. That's the candle, man. Dang, Grizz. This is it's kind of jerky around kind of price action, isn't it? Isn't it? So that's 2 hours supply hit essentially to the tick there. But if VWAP holds, I want to go for PDL. That's what I want. I don't know about you, but that'd be nice. That's what I want. All right, VWAP held on that first candle check of it. Yeah, Wolf trades the EMAs. And that's a bit more. I want to see. I want to see ES's VWAP hold here. Otherwise, I don't like the longs anymore. EMA has generally made your trading so much better. Trend. That's nice. How many evals do you per funded do you usually do? Oh, I don't have a good stat on that one. Might take me a couple times. I mean, it's, sometimes I pass them first time and then blow the fundeds quickly. Sometimes, like the top step ones, unfortunately, they don't email you when you're getting rebuild. And I didn't know I was getting rebuild. I thought I was done with them. And so I had some resets banked from previous buildings. I wasn't trading them for a long time. And so on the last batch, I think I reset once. So I was like, I had a bunch banked on these. So I was really aggressive. I think I had to reset them like once, if I recall. Karem, what's up? You just passed the first phase of your CFD prop eval for the first time. Nice job, man. Congrats. What's up, El Nawa? How you doing? We had a nice drop off the open, and then subsequent buy up. Well, we kind of gave up VWAP there. Not really what I want to see for that PDL hit. 2 hour supply did its thing there. Damn. Sorry, Brad. It sucks. All right. Well, okay. I don't like this. I don't really like it. If you look at the 5-minute chart, like that's just that's a 5-minute rejections of VWAP on NASDAQ up top left in my screen. Yeah, Rob, I don't think they're I'm sure that's just an error. Like, their support's good, so I think they're always trying to do right by people. So I understand. Gotta kind of watch those credit card statements, make sure you don't get charged what you shouldn't get charged for. All right, so we're right at 500 here. I mean, maybe we get right back through it again. It's just 5 minutes looking a bit. It's pretty wicky. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do kind of test lower here into the 450s or so. Maybe. So I'm gonna try this. I don't like the entry here. I don't like the entry of the short. Because it's right where we bounced a few times. I really don't like it, actually. Should have just waited a little bit. Nice job, Blurry. Well done. I'm just counting on 500 to hold here. Yeah, PLC too. Yeah, see, I'm not even used to looking at PLC, but you're right. Break even. All right, we might. I wonder if we have to bounce again here. Almost stopped out on that. Here should stop. No, still doesn't stop me out yet. Speeding up here a little bit. All right, so it's out there, $45. I still want a short. I just might try to get closer to 500. Thinking of Starting with 5 micros and maybe building position. But again, we might have one more bounce, like another bounce. Maybe get to PDL this time. So I didn't really like shorting where I did. Well. Oh, I hope it doesn't move without me. That'd make me a sad boy. You little bitch. Am I gonna have to enter worse now? Am I gonna have to enter lower? Just try drinking my water bottle without the freaking lid off. Smart guy. Real smart there. And now it's moving to exactly where I fucking wanted it to. You little piece of shit. No, that's on me. I didn't really... Look, if I would have prioritized the entry, I don't have a problem staying in this trade. So if I would have just, you know, tried to enter closer to 500, I think I can comfortably, you know, be at break even and not get hit and then be a part of the move. So that's why entries are so freaking important, man. And appropriate size too. You know, one mini is actually a little, I mean, obviously it's a little heavy on a $2,000 drawdown. I am just disappointed that, you know, the read was there. The read was right. The execution was not. All right. I might just, this is not really where I want to be in at. Shit. 70 points under 500. Not really it at all. All right, I'm going to see if I can get in maybe in the 50s, something like that. Eddie, if you're still trading in 10 years and you're not trading minis, I'm going to drive to Cleveland and slap you. Almost filled there. Literally missed it by a fucking 2 ticks. Jeepers. Jeepers, mister. That's kind of lame, man. All right, now I'm raising my my stop. See if I can get in a little bit higher now. My thought there is if it comes back up to where my original, like right here is where I would have gotten filled, I think it's going to push a little bit higher. So I'd rather get in a little bit higher. Are you fucking kidding me? Just missed it again by like 2 ticks. What is going on? These are evals, my friend. So you can't get payouts from evals. They're brand new. I just got them last night. Just took 1 trade on them. So yeah, no payouts. Man, that's 2 limits just not getting filled. I'm gonna mark it in there. Jeez. That was just rude. I didn't do, what did I do to you, market? I'm your biggest advocate, bro. You gonna fill me there? You son of a bitch. You son of a bitch. Being a little bitch. Like that's just rude. What else can I say? Very rude. If you actually look at the micro chart, it hit my order. I mean, it hit my thing, the number, you know, literally. I mean, on trade C, I hit it. Maybe I missed it by a tick. That's fucking terrible, dude. That is so bad. 2 in a row like that. It's just being a jerk. I'm gonna add here, I guess, get into my the mini I wanted. It's just not anywhere where I wanted it to be. That's okay. It's all right. I'll get over it someday. Someday I'll get over it, guys. Here's the trade. See if I can test the lows again. Looking pretty good right now. What firm am I trading? Lucid. How's your trading week so far? Not great. Not as good as the last couple. But you know, locked in what was it, $288 or so on Apex this morning on the fundeds, 10 funded accounts. Now I'm trading the evals. Try to get more funded accounts going. These are flex. Flex are my favorites. Back to my entry here.
Let me show you something.
Well, a bit stronger than I wanted on this this here bounce. I'll stop out. Didn't work. I was doing trade C. Shit. Look at that. God damn it. Forgot to take it on, to adjust that on trade C, and the other four, you know, got hit there with a large discrepancy. Sucks. Piece of shit. All right, it's gonna be another test of 500. Hey Dan, Lucid always 40% off when you use the code. You get 50% off your first two, then you get 40% off your next 5, and then you get 30% off the rest. That's using code Gorilla. Always use the best discount you have available to you. Okay, back to 500 again here. Nice little boy up there. Nice little one there. Well, here's VWAP. Prop firms to stay away. I mean, I know about futures prop firms, Muhammad. I don't know about CFDs. So if you trade futures prop firms, go to my site, propfirmgorilla.com. It's pinned to the chat. And those are my recommendations. They're the ones I partner with. I think are solid. Is it crazy to want to short here? Yeah, I guess so. This buying came out of nowhere, man. Ugh, it's fucking gross. What's up, Parshaw? How you doing? I was doing great until, honestly, until this trade turned against me. I was honestly hitting pretty good. But this is just being fucky right now. Pissing me off. I mean, look at the, you know, just slightly higher time for 5 minute. See pretty clear higher low here to VWAP. So obviously, you know, let's see if we can hold 500 and, you know, just work our way higher. Trade C is usually spot on. It's just I fucked up earlier. I already talked about it. I moved it here in Motive Wave instead of Trade C, so it fucked up. Usually it's good. Trying a long here, but I'm about to get stopped out already. I don't know. Oh, man. This has this could just chop me up both ways here. What are futures and micros? I can't really get into all that, man. You can look on investopedia.com. You can Google it. I can't really give you textbook definitions for shit. Sorry. Man, just getting fucking cooked now. Glad I locked in the Apex accounts. Good idea, Lexit. This is souring my fucking mood fast. Just getting a little pissed that yeah, just the range, I guess. Yeah, I mean, fucking straight up to where we topped out before. No big deal. Back down. Fucking stupid ass shit. This is a volume profile. It's the indicator, Oliver. It's a volume profile. I'll just max contract this and then rage quit. That's what I'm feeling like doing right now. Rollover week sucks ass. Like every fucking time. I fucking hate it. I don't know why on earth I bother even trading it. Honestly, might just take the week off next time. Because it's just frustrating. Even when you do win, like, you know, yesterday was actually a solid session. There's some clean setups. I made 800 on the 10 Apex accounts. Today I made 300. And but then after that, it's just I found it a little challenging here when this. I mean, the short was good. You know, obviously I didn't get filled where I wanted to get filled, and it was annoying. And then I didn't get the move lower like I wanted. Whatever. This isn't this. You know, it's just not my favorite kind of conditions here. So, yeah, it's been a solid year. All right, well, if you're saying 9:30 to 10:30, so for the first hour, right, is what you're saying to do. So 9:30 to, okay. So just like the first hour range, I'll do what you say. And then you got to tell me what to do after that. Okay, here's the volume profile. Okay, now what do I do? Mark the volume high and volume low where it's rejecting prices. Are you talking about like this peak, the point of control right there? That's like the most volume. Is that what you're saying? Mark out the point of control for the first hour. And then I have the low volume nodes are already marked out in the purplish, pinkish color. I already have those marked out automatically, the low volume nodes. That's what these are. I mean, that's where we bounced essentially. Automatically, yeah. In my settings, I go to low volume nodes and I enable them, and I just set the sensitivity so it's like not too many low volume nodes, but only the lowest of volume nodes. So. Green and purple bars, Wolf. I don't know if I've seen that before. That is a choice. Feels like it's giving like 90s fast food vibes. Like 90s Nickelodeon or something. I'm just going along here because fuck it. Cool. Quick bag there. I don't know if you guys saw that because I was on micros here. I took on Trade C though, just long 3 minis. Told you I'm just gonna like fucking full port and rage quit. Yeah, can you please explain the point of hedging your long-term futures position along with SPX with VIX puts on Optimus futures? That's so oddly specific, bro. What are you talking about? I'm not hedging with VIX puts. I don't even know what you're talking about because it's not even what I'm doing. So very specific, so oddly specific. Yeah, these are evals. Lou. Brand new evals I just got. I think we move off of here a little bit higher, but look at these candles suck ass right now. I don't see the point in hedging for what I do. Look, I have my long-term portfolio and then day trading. Like I don't need to hedge anything. You don't have to be sorry. I don't understand where the question comes from. Like I know I talked about VIX in a video about like making money during a recession or something, but like I don't trade VIX. I just use it as reference. Gorilla side is cool. Did you make it? Yeah, I did. Glad you think it's cool. I'm in the process of updating. Hopefully by the end of the weekend, it'll be all up to date. It's a lot of work, so that's my plan. All right. You know, feeling like another upside test makes sense. Maybe just even 500 or VWAP or something, if not to these highs. Lee, well, see, that's the thing is, I don't think you ever tell me how to. Like, I feel like I've asked you. I'm like, I don't know. But now I know. Thank you, Lee. Okay, there's moved 500. Do I need help with anything? I did get assistance from a full stack engineer to help with some stuff, so I should be all set now. Thanks, though. What do you know? There's the move to 500. Now where we go next? I have no freaking idea. That much I know. Flip through volume profile settings. The one on the left or the one on the right? The only difference is one's real time, or I mean, regular session. RTH, the one's electronic. So the right one, width 150. I mean, this is just default. I didn't mess with any of this stuff. I don't have value area on the one on the right. LVNs. I have enabled low volume nodes, right? LVNs only. Sensitivity. 175 for NASDAQ. And that's about it. Thanks, Lee. Appreciate that. There's VWAP. You're 4 points away from passing. Yeah, dude. That's... I've been thinking about that lately. Like, like life's a game of inches, blah, 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 blah. Like, there's so many evals that I literally was like 2 points away from passing, and then they end up blowing up, and I end up not getting funded for a while on them, or spending a lot more money. That's happened so many times. And obviously on funded accounts that happens too all the time, where so close to having a monster trade, something happens, you get nicked out or something. We took a buy. No. Well, I mean, I did 3 micros or minis real quick right here, just a little scalp. Nice move to VWAP. I would think I would think we kind of just move a little bit lower into the under 450s and just make it like kind of gross and choppy. Then we pop PDL at some point. I don't know. On an eventful day, I honestly, look, the last 45 minutes or whatever has not been fun. Maybe the last half an hour even has not been fun. If you are joining the stream late, if you rewind to the open, honestly, the Apex accounts, I was trading those really nicely. I think I went 3 for 3, maybe had a break even. I don't know. I had a lot of points for trading like 1 micro. Maybe I did 2 on 1, 2 micros, but really small size. And, made like $288. I think it was 288. Again, on really small size. That's like terrific. So while I'm a little pissy now because I don't like what's happened since then, it was a good session on the accounts that mattered the most. My next goal for, I've been talking about my goals, weekly for this year. And the first goal was to get a payout on more than one account at once. I did that in January on Lucid. I think my next goal was to do it on 5 accounts. I did that on Top Step. My next goal was to keep the accounts alive for another payout cycle. I did that twice with Top Step, getting 3 total payouts. So now my goal is a $10,000 payout, which I can do with these Apex accounts that I was trading earlier on stream. Just got to build that balance up to, what do I got to get the balance to, chat? Like maybe $3,000? No, a little bit more than 3,000. I could do a $10,000 payout. I was trading the end of day 50K Apex accounts. Payouts total for this year after profit split, $17,640, which is by far and away my best. It blows last year out of the water, and we're only in March, so I'm definitely locking in. No Botan to don't. $3,200. Yeah, so $3,200, and then I can withdraw to the buffer, right? So I can withdraw like $1,000 on each 10 account, on 10 accounts, and then be 10,000. And there's a no profit split on Apex, which is one of the other reasons why, because we mentioned this before, that Apex is more expensive if you consider the activation fee on the end of day. It's $130 with the current sale compared to, say, like $90 on Lucid for a kind of similar account. But, Lucid's going to take a 10% profit split. So, 1 pay on Apex and doing really good. I heard bad things about Apex if they don't pay. Yeah, that's kind of been plaguing them for a long time. But yeah, you gotta follow the rules, and I think they made the rules a little bit clearer in the last, update across the board that they did. So hopefully it's to me it seems way more simple now. Before I was too overwhelmed with all their freaking rules that I was like, I'm not even gonna trade it. How much have you spent on evals this year? I gotta add it up. That takes a little bit more effort. Nice, Riley. 1 payout on Apex across 20 accounts covered my entire living expenses for a year. So nice. 30K. Sick. Nice hold of the trend line that I just marked out. Not nice enough for me to take a trade on it, but not bad. Don't forget about the tax, man. Absolutely. There's VWAP rejection there. I almost like that enough to trade. We are kind of compressing though, so honestly, I would favor the upside. So I think I'd rather get long instead of trying to short that. I think I'd rather be sitting in a long, maybe in the 80s, and see if we can get that pop to PDL there. An NF song, Botan? What's NF? I don't know that off the top of my head. Yeah, Riley, slow is smooth, smooth is fast. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast. So, yeah. There's a move in the 80s. Let's see, I think one mini would be fair. Is day trading one of your main sources of income now? Well, this month it's certainly significant. You know? For sure. You don't know NF? No, I don't. Nice trend. Well done. Let me buy that course, bro. NF. Never heard of it. Of him. There's almost 15 million monthly listeners. Dude, that's so crazy. There's so many artists out that I like his album covers. His album covers are cool. There's so many freaking artists that, like, there'll be like a bunch of indie bands too, where I'll see like their music video on my homepage on YouTube, and I'm like, some band I never heard of. I'll have like, you know, like 200,000 views. I'm like, damn, there's so many freaking bands out there. I'll listen to NF, see what I think. Pull it up. Oh, depressing Eminem. Oh. NF is so corny. Oh, well, some mixed split opinions, as music will do. All right. I might get cooked here. Ooh. I could get cooked if I'm wrong on this move, but I mean, I think I like it enough here. Starts moving in my direction, I will probably add a contract. Well, maybe I'll add a contract. I don't know. Wow, that's just one contract? Man, these movements are... It's moving fast. That was a great entry. You see that fucking entry? As long as we can move, that was one of my best entries. Just please move. Give me a strong close. Doesn't Apex have only 6 payout cycles per account? Yeah, I think so. So does Apex have the options to still get those like monster uncapped payouts? Like, could you get like a legacy account with that, or are those like done? Did he seem like the kind of guy who uses his girlfriend's shampoo? Yeah, nowadays we use the same. Rachel and I use the same shampoo, but it's like it's unscented, no fragrance or anything. It's just regular shampoo. Guess what, dude? Humans have the same kind of hair. You don't need a special boy shampoo. That's just marketing, bro. Don't fall for it. Don't be a sucker. That was a fucking awesome entry, guys. Can I say that? Is it alright if I say that? Fucking awesome. Here's the thing. I want to pass these accounts. The target in this 570s might be too much. I don't know. It looks like the guy uses a 26-in-1 body wash. I think, in my early 20s, I definitely did, well, no, I don't think I ever did this 2-in-1s, actually. Sick fucking trade, chat. There's PDL. Exactly what I wanted. ES is at its highs, too. I think I just gotta trail this and just see if we can get the pop. Come on, baby. Go, 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 go. It's too good of a rejection point for me not to trail. Honestly, this might be one of my best trades lately. That entry was too good. It's too good. All right, trailing more. Boom, boom, boom. Get it, get it, get it. Hell yeah, dude. That was fucking sick. I'm $2.50 away from being halfway. I think that's good enough. I think I can make it tomorrow. This account, the lead account, I gotta lose some money though today. I gotta lose some money so I keep the 50% rule intact. That was sick as hell, man. There's there's a few lines in my chart, so forgive me, but that was just a plan coming together there. Along at 82.5. Like I said, I wouldn't mind being long in the 80s, looking for a break to the upside, maybe PDL. I got the push past PDL, which was amazing, and now that's a top tick exit practically. So that might be one of the best trades I've ever taken, just in terms of execution. I might have to print that one off. It's not easy to grab the bottom and top of the move like that. Maybe it is easy. I don't know. Just gotta be able to buy when it's looking you know, when it's red, sell when it's green. That was pretty good. Pretty good. That turned my mood around, chat. It was honestly a pretty good trading session, other than the little middle section today. Did you copy trade Blue Sky there? No, I forgot I had Blue Sky, bro. Literally forgot I had that account. Damn, that was so fucking sick. I just love it when it you know, when it actually works out like, you know, like you think, and you're able to execute it. So nice. That was one mini. How long have you been tracking your heart rate? I don't know, chat. Maybe it's been what, a year, something like that. Yeah, about a year. I mean, what I notice is when I trade too large a size, if I'm being a little irresponsible, heart rate goes up. If I'm trading funded, too large size, definitely way up there. Here's a hold of. I gotta lose some money. I should short this to lose money. So hang on a second. Let me turn off my trade copier. So chat, please never follow my trades. But now I am trying to lose money here. So please know that you shouldn't definitely not do what I'm trying to do here. So I'm trying to lose money. Gotta make sure it's not copying. Seems like it's trying to copy trade though. I don't know how to turn that off. It's not letting me delete it. Shit. I'll change the lead account maybe. Maybe that'll work. All right. Yeah, I'm trying to lose money because I'm at 1782. Look over at the P&L. 1782. I need to be at 1500. So the easiest way to do that, I think, is just flip a mini a couple times. Maybe two minis. That's too dangerous. One mini. So I think it's going to go up. So I'm going to sell short here. Maybe mini's too hard, actually. Maybe mini's too much. Let me try micros. I don't want to accidentally lose too much. I like the VWAP hold here. I just don't want to make money on this. Stop. Don't make money. Please. No. Don't. Ah. Come on. I might make money on this by accident. Here we go. I want to lose like 250. Yeah, I can open close fast too. I've done that, but it helps if I'm in the red a little bit. So easy to make money when you're not trying to make money, you know? Bounce. I don't know. We might be going down. Ugh. Dang. Come on. Stop making money. I'm not losing any money, chat. Oh, sell. Dude. Come on. This is so stupid, man. I hate this is the rules, man. It's so silly. All right, I'll go to a mini now. I need to lose about 200 bucks here. Corn trick works. I just don't want to mess up. You spam entries and exits, won't fees eat you up? That's the idea. It's just literally keep making money. Come on. All right. The corn trick is what? Just marketing in and then closing it right away? I just was shorting with micros. All right. I'm too good. I can't lose. My brain won't let me lose, chat. Okay. So corn. What's corn? ZC? Is that ZCK? Are we on Ks or are we on something else? Man, this volume is shite. ZCK? Is this us? Not minis? I usually just keep it. I don't want to make extra money. That's why make it harder. So cross trade? How many? Let's just try one here. But oh, I don't think I have corn turned on for Lucid. Yeah, I don't know, chat. Mom, I'm trying to lose money here. I'm not trying to make money. I'm gonna short. Right? We're at a PDL. I'll long it. No. I'm gonna short it. That should lose me some money. 200 bucks. Don't lose too much now. Don't lose too much. I don't have data for corn, Parsha. Everyone just chill, man. I just longed, okay? And it's not... I am doing the instant trading, guys. Are you not watching? Am I just fucking doing this in a void? Literally everything I'm doing is making money. Stupid. I'm up so much more now, right? 52, 270. Jeez, I'm up way too much money. What the hell? I don't even know how that happened. It's crazy. This is proof like a chimpanzee could just make money trading. So you have a new strategy. Yeah, right? Dude, it's, you know, it's so funny because, you know, when you're like $20 away from passing and it seems like the hardest thing to get, it's like this is the opposite problem. Why is Motivave lagging on chart data? I don't know. Why so small? Because I don't want to make too large of a mistake here. All right. Whatever. I can do it off stream. Feel all you guys just judging me. Should I go 3 long here? I just don't want to accidentally lose what I have. I got a bit of a wiggle room here. Please don't make money. Please don't make money. I can't adjust the stop. Ah, shit. It's not. There it goes. I'm doing it, guys. I'm losing money. Yes. No. Don't bounce. I'm trying to lose, bro. I'm just trying to do the quick math here to figure out how much. Jeez. Ma, I don't think you have any idea what's happening, my friend. I really don't think you know what I'm trying to do. This looks like a long, so I was short. I don't want to lose too much money. Yeah, I'm trying to lose money because there's a consistency rule in evals. $1,000 expert at losing money? Oh, harsh, harsh. Not this month, my friend. Not this month. Literally, I can't fucking lose. This is so stupid. Well, I'm up fucking $900 extra dollars. How did I accidentally make $900 extra dollars? It's insane, bro. Bracket order where your stop loss is 5 ticks. Why am I trading 1 minute? Because I don't trade gold, and I don't want to accidentally put on too much size and not even realize what I'm doing. Like I really don't want to go under 51,500, right? So. It's so weird trying to lose money. It's such a weird spot. Partial, I'm not trading at Apex right now. We'll call this lose money. Make an exit strategy here. Stop offset. You know what? How many ticks do you say, Parshav? Like 5 ticks. Target doesn't matter, right? 20. All right. Lose money. So long because it looks rejecty here. Shit. Where are my brackets? I don't see any brackets, chat. Did I not do it right? I don't like not having brackets on here. That's a sketch. God damn it. I lost too much money. That's exactly what I didn't want to happen, but my brackets didn't. I don't understand why they didn't show up for that. Jesus. Now I got to make money. You know how hard it's going to be to make $200 after trying to lose 900? But why wouldn't the brackets show up? 5 ticks. It should be 5 ticks. I just don't understand why they weren't there. I gotta go fucking make some money. That's so stupid. I hate this. This is so dumb, chat. This is such... Like the stream, will ya? Jeez. This is just crazy. How did I lose so much money so fast on that? That was crazy. That's crazy. Now what do I do? Fucking... Jeez. What are we going? Are we short? Are we... Is this short, chat? I don't think I can short here, though. Can't believe I got to make money now. That's so annoying. Just do what you did. See, I can't. I can't do it now because I want to make money, you know? Call it a day? No way, dude. No way. After all that, I'm going to have to spend an extra day in Lucid for one account? No way I'm calling it a day here. No way. All that freaking... I made too much money and now I just got to like... Just sucks to be me. No. No, dude. We're doing this. Come on, baby. Don't lose money. Don't lose money. Oh, come on. It is pretty hilarious, but come on. I don't really want to have to take 60 trades today. All right. I gotta make 260 bucks now. Fuck me. It's pretty funny. Yeah, Parsha, it just doesn't really help me right now, does it? Not a good short here. Not a good short. Stumbling Wonder, good luck. Good luck with the account. Thanks for the support. Don't be shy. Get on down there. Oh, you son of a bitch. All right, chat. I gotta head out. This sucks. I gotta make 500 bucks now. Oh man. Oh, thanks for hanging out. I'll Okay, if any of you guys saying I was being, you guys don't know what I was doing. If you, I wasn't trying to be greedy. I was trying to lose money. So, I don't think you know what the fuck you're talking about. All due respect. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow for a Friday stream, and hopefully we'll have some good luck with this one. $500 to go. See you later.